How to update system software in your phone. Hi everyone and welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we are going to show you a step-by-step guide that we can follow up in order to update the system software phones, your Android phone software. So let's just dive right into the video and get started. So let's head over to our settings and open it up. And within our settings, we just need to scroll down, and under our system, we can directly find an option called software update, or usually software update inside general on iPhone. So go ahead and tap on software update. And once we tap on it, we can look out for the option called download and install and tap on it. And when we do here, we can look out for updates. So if there is any kind of update available, you just need to follow up the on-screen instructions to download and restart your phone to apply it up. In order to restart your phone, you can just go over and hold your power button and look out for the restart option and do so. If you want to auto download over Wi-Fi, we also have an option of auto download over Wi-Fi, and we can turn on that option, this toggle option right here, and that will do it. And that is how we update it. When you are doing so, ensure that you are connected to Wi-Fi or have at least 50% battery, and you can follow the on-screen prompts to download and install. Regularly updating ensures better security, performance, and new features. And that's it everybody for now. We hope this video was helpful. Give this video a like and subscribe for more.